Hey guys, I'm back with a new recipe, that is Banarsi Kachori, and this is very famous dish among people who are in North India. So this is very easy recipe, and without wasting so much of time, let's get into the video. So for this, firstly I'm taking a big vessel so that I can make dough out of flours. So in this process we have to take 50-50 ratio of maida, that is all purpose flour and wheat flour. So I'm taking 2 bowls of maida and exactly 2 bowls of wheat flour. Now these are the amount of flours. Now after that I am taking coriander leaves, chili, that is green chili, and ginger, so that we can make paste out of it, and we have to mix this paste in the flour. So I am preparing this thing firstly. Now we have to grind it in a mixture. Now coming to the flours portion. So on the flour I have taken 1 bowl or half bowl of refined oil. You can take of your choice. After that I am adding salt as per taste. Now mixing the refined oil into the flour. Refined oil will bring crispiness into the kachori. So this is very important step in making kachori. Or if you are making any other namkeen, remixing refined oil will help a lot in making that recipe or that namkeen or anything else crispy. So mixing the refined oil into the flour very well. Now I am taking here ajwain, 2 tablespoons of ajwain. Now mixing all these very well. Make sure you mix the refined oil into the flour very well. Now at this stage I am using my both hands to mix the flour and refined oil. If you want to check that whether the two ingredients mixed well, just hold some amount of flour into your hand, and if it gets bind, then your process is done. Now this process is almost done. Now at this stage I am going to add urad dal paste into it, which I have soaked overnight, and just grind it in a mixture, and after that I am adding it here. There is no need to add water to make dough because urad dal paste and that coriander paste will do the same job. Now it's time to add coriander paste. Now mix it well and make a dough out of it. Now this process is complete and we have made a dough. Now taking a small amount of dough and making it more softer, and I'm going to make puri from this. The specialty of this kachori is that you don't have to stuff anything into it, just you have to make puri out of it and just fry it in a kadhai or anything else. Now taking equal portions of dough and I'm going to make small balls, and after that I'll make puri. So this is the amount I'm taking. Now oil in the kadhai is nicely hot and I'm going to fry every puri one by one. Make sure that your flame is high at first, and after that you have to keep flame on low to medium. Now wait for it till it becomes golden brown. Now you can see that it looks very yummy and crispy. Now at this stage we have to take it out. This is the texture of puri or kachori. Like this I am going to make all the kachoris. So this is the process of making Banarsi kachori, and you find it very easy. So this is the amount I have made it. So if you like the recipe, press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Till then, bye bye.